Don't know how to cool off on a hot summer day? Check out funny ice challenge ideas in our new video. What a beautiful summer day, except it's way too hot. Sprite or Coke? Coke, please. What a great choice. Catch. Pour Fanta, Sprite, Tarragon soda, and Coke in a big cake pop mold. Freeze it. We get ice balls of different colors. Ah, it's cold! Awesome! Alex, catch! You missed! Yay! What a precise hit! I'm next! Pitch! Fly, ice! Oh! An icy rain is just the thing on a hot day like this. Victory! Good job! But being under the sun is getting unbearable. Alex is on his phone. Time to prank him. Fill a rubber glove with sand. Tie a rubber band around it. Put it in a deep container. Use chopsticks and binder clips to place it vertically. Fill the container with water and freeze it. Take the sand out of the glove and take the glove out of the ice. My hand is covered in ice! Alex, help! Wow, he is so sensitive. And here's my ice cream. Where's Alex? Haven't seen him. Some joke! It's so hot! I'll have some water. Ouch! The glass got hot and the water started boiling. Blondie, what is this? An icy top? It's perfectly frozen. The fridge is free. I'll set it right here. Blondie, where are you? I'm melting! Oh! How cold! Alex, I love you too, but I think that's enough hugging. Sorry, Blondie, I'm finally not hot. It's like I'm stuck. The challenge is starting. Who's first? Rock, paper, scissors, go! Why is it always me? Let's spin the wheel. I hope it lands on something good. Please, please! Yay! Strawberry! Not bad. What's next? Onion! Ew! And the last ingredient is sardines? Ew! Ah, bad luck. Put them in a blender. Add ice cream. Pour the ready mixture into the container. Freeze it. Bake ice cream scoops from the frozen mass. Decorate it with a frozen cherry. Done! But how do I eat it? I'm not ready. You just need a spoon. I'm next. A burger? What? Now who's unlucky? Haha! What's next? Beans? I can't stand them. It could have been worse. All right, let's see the last ingredient. Oh, gummy bears! Combine all the ingredients in a blender. Add ice cream. Put the ready mixture in a container and freeze it. Serve it in an ice cream bowl with a frozen cherry on top. It smells disgusting. Wanna try? You go first. I can give you some. It's okay. No way. Oof. Guys, it's boiling hot outside. Oh, ice cream. Can I have some? Sure. It's so refreshing. Are you not eating yours? Can I have it? Sure! The taste is very unusual. Are you sure you don't want any? Definitely not. Ow! My stomach! Poor guy. Don't try this experiment at home. Vicky found new viral videos on Instagram. I'll do it better. I need to change first. Now it's my giant colored ice turn. Add food coloring to water and pour it in a square container. Freeze it. Take it out of the mold. Make ice cubes of different colors. What can be better on a hot summer day than a bathtub full of ice? Oh, I nearly forgot! My video! I am a queen of ice! My video will make me a star of Instagram! Let's play Jenga, but with one condition. The loser wears an Elsa outfit till the end of the day. Oh, I'm not sure I want to. Alex, say yes. It's gonna be fun. Okay, fine. Except our Jenga is made out of ice. Fill a silicone ice mold with water. Freeze it. Coat the ice with colorful glitter. Shape pairs of different shades. Cover them with water and freeze again. Take the ready ice blocks out of the mold. Alex, you go first. Let's start with this brick. No, this one would be better. Or this one. They are frozen to each other. Come on, Alex. I believe in you. Then this one. Oh, I failed. Well, your dress is ready, princess. I have never looked this ridiculous before. Alex, smile for the camera. And it seems like the security guard likes your outfit. Right, handsome? Check out this pic. Alex looks great with long hair. He is so handsome in this one. What are you laughing at? That's it? Hey, give it back. Here's a gift from Princess Elsa. Maybe it can make you chill. Pour water on the bottom of a rectangular container. Freeze it. Put a fake phone on the layer of ice. Cover it with water. Freeze. Take the frozen phone out of the container. Oh no! How can I melt this ice? It's a task for your icy challenge. This is actually a lot of fun. Melt faster. My poor phone. Thank you, Alex. My palms are frozen already. Hold my phone. Yeah, sure. A phone is ringing. Isn't it mine? Alex, where's this sound coming from? Okay, here are your phones. Safe and not frozen. You are such a prankster. You are definitely better at this challenge. Challenge accepted. Icy lollipops are ready. Whoever reaches the berry first wins. Fill a silicone cake pop mold with berries. Cut the edges off plastic straws. Fan them up. Put the straws in the holes on the mold. And pour in water. Freeze. No one said we can't use the power of the sun. Blondie, you are cheating! No, I'm not! You can also get a magnifying glass, if you can find one. Go horse! Wonder Woman? No. Batman? No. Am I a unicorn? Exactly! You guessed it! Blondie, can I have some water? Sure! Who am I? Ha! How could I not figure it out? Oh, thanks! It's cold! What's going on? This is ice! Take 2 different plastic cups. Pour water in the bigger cup and pour sugar in the smaller one. Cut a ring out of foam paper. Put the ring on the small cup. Then place it in the bigger cup. Put the cups in a freezer. Pour out the sugar. Remove the foam paper ring and the small cup. We made a cup out of ice. Now I'm covered in water. Oh, I think I'd rather go. Blondie, hold on. This isn't what you think it is. This heat is unbearable. Fresh breath would definitely help. Put gum on the bottom of a silicone ice mold. Cover it with water and freeze. Wrap the icy gum in foil. Wrap a label around it. Now that's real Arctic fresh! Did you like our icy challenge ideas? Then comment below which task you liked more. An ice glass, Jenga made out of ice, or a frozen phone. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new hilarious challenges from Troom.